Polar Hair Dye Shampoo Tutorial, how to use it. So to be able to use the Polar Hair Dye Shampoo, first thing you need to do is to go ahead and pump into your hands the lather well. And then go ahead and spread evenly into your dry hair and leave it for 10 minutes. Now, after leaving it for 10 minutes, go ahead and rinse thoroughly and enjoy your new color. And that is how you can simply do it. It works in just 10 minutes, quick, mess-free application made with natural ingredients and offers long-lasting natural color. And that is how to use the Polar Hair Dye Shampoo.